Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to easily block webcam and microphone in any Windows computer. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly just open any web browser and the Google search for one application named as webcam on-off, and on the first list you'll see its official website. Just click on it. Now just scroll down below. Now you'll see here download option. Just click on it. So finally the file has been downloaded, so let me go to the folder where it's being downloaded and let me close this web browser. Now just double click it to extract this zip file. Now just open the extracted folder. Now just double click on this webcam application. Now you can see the various options inside this software. So now all the connected webcams will be shown here. So you can see in my case, and the status you can see what are enabled. So say I want to disable this respective webcam, so I will just select it. After that click on this disable, and now you can see the status is disabled. And now if you want to block the microphone also, you can just click on it and you can click on disable to block the microphone. And if you want to enable it again, just click on this enable. Now you can see it's being enabled, and below there is a webcam options where you can directly preview the respective webcam to check whether it is enabled or disabled properly or not. And last option is the menu. So here you will get a tons of options which you can check out by yourself. So by using this application named as webcam on-off, you can easily block webcam and microphone in any Windows computer. So if you never known about this cool application, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.